Hi, at the beginning of this unit, I introduced this problem to you about corn muffins and bran muffins. And I said that we were going to come back and take a look at this problem together at the end of the unit on our review day. So let's do that today. So just to review, baking a tray of corn muffins takes 4 cups of milk and 3 cups of wheat flour. A tray of bran muffins takes 2 cups of milk and 3 cups of wheat flour. A baker has 16 cups of milk and 15 cups of wheat flour. He makes $3 profit per tray of corn muffins and $2 profit per tray of bran muffins. How many trays of each type of muffin should the baker make to maximize his profit? The first thing we want to do here is identify our variables, our unknowns. So the two things in this problem that we don't know are the types of muffins. How many trays of each type of muffin? So X is going to be the number of, let's see, what came first? What makes more sense? Corn muffin trays. And then for Y, it'll be the number of bran muffin trays. All right, so we've identified our variables. Next, we need to write our inequalities for this statement, or for this problem. So we know some information about milk and wheat flour. So we actually want to write one of our inequalities for milk. So we have corn muffins take 4 cups of milk, bran muffins take 2 cups of milk, and the baker has 16 cups of milk. So one inequality we can write for that, if it's 4 cups for every tray of corn muffins, that's 4x, plus 2 cups for every bran muffin, that's 2y. And if the baker has 16 cups of milk to work with, think about what's possible there. Is it possible he uses less than 16 cups of milk? Yes. Is it possible he uses all 16 cups of milk? Yes. Is it possible he uses more than 16 cups of milk? No, because he doesn't have it. So in this case, we want to use less than or equal to 16 cups of milk. Next, let's take a look at the wheat flour. So corn muffins are 3 cups of wheat flour. Bran muffins are also 3 cups of wheat flour. And altogether, the baker has 15 cups of wheat flour to work with. So we have 3 cups of wheat flour for each tray of corn muffins, and 3 cups of wheat flour for each tray of bran muffins. And if he has 15 cups of wheat flour to work with, he can use less than that or exactly 15 cups, just not more than 15 cups of wheat flour. Finally, the last two inequalities are the ones that kind of make sense in this problem, related to the number of trays of corn muffins and the number of trays of bran muffins. So X has to be greater than or equal to 0, just saying it can't be a negative number. And Y also has to be greater than or equal to 0. Our objective function, let's take a look at that now. Here, our profit equation can be calculated by taking $3 for each tray of corn muffins. Since corn muffins is X, that's going to be 3 times X. And it was $2 profit per tray of bran muffins. So that's going to be 2y. So 3x plus 2y is how we calculate the total profit in this situation. Next, we want to graph the system of inequalities. And to save time, I've graphed this ahead of time and taken a picture of it on the next screen. So here we have the overlapping area that's shaded in red and in blue and is in the first quadrant. And it's this quadrilateral right inside the origin. Okay. This one worked out nice where all of the coordinates were whole numbers. So I've listed my vertices in the table. So 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 5, and 3, 2. And I have my objective function from the previous page. $3 profit for each tray of corn muffins and $2 profit for each tray of bran muffins. Let's calculate total profit. So we substitute our values for X and Y into our equation. So 0 trays of each will result in a profit of $0. if he makes 4 trays of corn muffins, that's $12 worth, and 0 trays of bran muffins, so $12 total profit. If he makes 0 corn muffin trays, but 5 bran muffin trays, 2 times 5 is a total profit of $10. And last we have, let's see, 3 times x plus 2 times the value of y. So 3 times 3 plus 2 times 2, that's $14. Excuse me, that's $13. 9 plus 4. So when we're looking at our profits, we want to look for which one is the largest, because we're trying to maximize profit. Anytime we're dealing with a business, we want to make the most money. So how many trays of each type of muffin should the baker make to maximize his profit? And it's going to be when he makes, so he should make 3, so my x value is 3, and that was corn muffins. 3 trays of corn muffins, not 3 corn muffins, but 3 trays. And 2 trays of bran muffins. Because this would give him that maximum profit of $13.